Please take out your morning work folder and turn to literacy number 8. We are going to work through this together. We're going to look for the word that, the picture rather, that matches the word. Let's read the word for it first. P-I-G, pig. So I can see the pig over there. Let's make our pig pink. Although I don't really think too many pigs are actually pink. But we're going to color I'm going to color my pig pink. I'm just going to make him one big pink blob of craziness. Look at that. Aren't you impressed with my coloring? Yeah, you should be. That's really, really good stuff there. Okay. In the next section, I need to find the word in the word search. The word is D-O-W-N, down. So I have a D, I have a O, I have a W, I have an N, down. Let's see, here it is again, D-O-W-N, down. And then one more time, D-O-W-N, down. I found it all 3 times. At the bottom, I'm going to color in the correct number to represent the number of syllables in each picture. So this is ear muffs, ear muffs. 2 syllables. I have the long E and then they have the short U. Ear muffs. So it's E and A. Color in the 2. Here I have, let's just do gift. And that has just 1. It has the I vowel sound. And how about tree? Again, only 1 syllable, the long E. Okay? Nice work, guys. Let's turn it over and do the math side. Okay, you should be on math number 8. The ornament should say math and have the number 8 in it. At the top, we're counting on, and we're counting on from 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the middle, I need to show the number in a 10 frame. So they've given me 2 numbers that I need to color in my 10 frame. 16, 1 set of 10 and 6 extras. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or 1 group of 10 and 6 extras. The number over here is 12. I'm going to switch colors just for giggles. And 12 is 1 set of 10 and 2 extras. So I'm going to fill in 1 full 10 frame. This gives me 10. And then I need 2 extras, 11, 12. At the bottom it says I can color, count, and circle the group that has more. I can look at this and pretty easily tell you that the candy canes are way more. The trees, there are only 3. I could eyeball that. The candy canes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is much more than 3. I need to circle the candy canes, and then I need to so neatly color mine. Mine are all solid red. I'm going to make them cinnamon instead of peppermint, because cinnamon's really yummy. I like hot, spicy cinnamon better than peppermint sometimes. So, there we go. All done for the day. Go ahead and put your morning work folder away. Nice work.